Alright, so we're going to go through and we're going to create another part. It's going to be very similar to the original one, but come up and select part. And from here, once again, we're going to go up to the top left-hand corner and select sketch. You then need to choose the front to begin your drawing, up in the top right-hand corner. And then come through and select the plane to draw on. Now, I'm going to quickly pause here and just get you guys to utilize the pause button. Don't watch an entire video and then go, oh, now I'll go through and try and remember the steps. As I do a step, pause it, repeat the step, then press unpause. The next step I have, or the next piece of advice I have for you, is get your computer up on your laptop, watch the videos, and on the desktop computer, complete the task in Autodesk Inventor. So that was on your laptops, your personal laptops, bring them charged to class and watch the video on there. That way you're not having to minimize screens and open one up. You can literally just pause it and move your head and focus on the screen. Alright, back to this. Super keen to keep going. So we're going to come through and we're going to utilize that circle tool again. Now, as you can see, when I hover over here, it says Control-Shift-C will give me the circle tool. And so that's a shortcut, and it's super handy to remember. I use a lot of shortcuts, and e.g. I'm down here and I'm working, Control-Shift-C, now I have access to a circle. It's very handy to know these shortcuts as we go through. Do maybe, just try and utilize them when you can. That one's pretty complex, others can just be like L for line. But for this circle, select the center, draw out a 9mm circle again. Remember, to do that, you're using the circle tool. You click once, or find the center point, click, drag out, and then type in 9mm, and then press enter. And you'll have your 9mm circle. From there, you come up and you either go Finish Sketch, and then choose the Extrude button, or you can press E for Extrude, and it will allow you to extrude that. But I'm going to go through and go Finish Sketch. Then you can come up to the Extrude tool, and you can select that. Now, once again, you could try and sit here and get it to the right depth. Just type in 70mm or 70, and it will send that out. Now, as you can see, I've lost it on the screen, so I have to zoom out to see that. So use the wheel on your mouse, roll it forward, and you should zoom out, and you can zoom out a really long way. Then use it to zoom back in. The issue with the zoom tool is that you can lose your piece in this giant vortex of space. Now, to overcome that, it's pretty simple. Come down here, the third one down, there's a very small arrow underneath that box. Now, hopefully yours will already have Zoom All be selected. I think that's default. But look for this one here if you need to go through and go Zoom. No, that's not it. Select it. Zoom All. Oh, so you go Zoom All. What a pain this has been. Zoom All. Then you should be able to zoom in on certain things, like so. Cool. From there, we need to save our work. So you're going to come up and you're going to go File. You're going to go Save as always. Save as. Now for mine, it's kept me in that plane tutorial. You're going to have to check every time you go to save that it has done that. Otherwise you will lose parts and you will be recreating them. So we call this one the Axel. A-X-E-L. Axel. Save that and you can exit it. Congratulations. Now don't exit the whole program because there is another video coming. So you can come up and just exit it in this top right hand corner here, or down here you can exit that. Congratulations on finishing yet another video.